بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. In the previous video, in the previous lesson, we started the playlist Mal Islam, What is Islam? And I said that we will be starting Mal Islam with the teachings for the month Ramadan. How do we fast? What are the important knowledge we all have to use? What are the important knowledge we all are recommended, we all need to know to fast the month of Ramadan properly? So the first thing we should know is, when does the fasting of Ramadan become farz? When it is first? So fasting of Ramadan is farz when the month of Shaban is finished with 30 days. If the month of Shaban is finished with 30 days, the day after that 30th day will be Ramadan, and fasting is farz on that day. There is another situation when fasting of Ramadan will become farz. The second situation is when the 29th day of the month of Shaban has ended, and in that night, after that 29th day, the night comes, if we see the moon, or if the moon is sighted on the 30th night, the night after the 20th day, 29th day, the night after the 29th day, if we see the moon or the moon is sighted, then also the fasting of the month Ramadan will become farz. So there are two situations when the fasting of Ramadan is farz. First is when the month of Shaban has ended with 30 days, and the second is when after the 29th day of the month of Shaban the moon is sighted, then the month of Ramadan has started and we need to fast from that day. Now there are two types of people if the moon is sighted. If the moon is sighted, there are two types of people. One are those who saw the moon by themselves. First type of people are the one who saw the moon by themselves. And the second type of people are those who didn't see the moon. Those who see fasting of the month Ramadan has become farz on them by seeing. And those who haven't seen the moon and have listened it from others, if they have listened it from the qadi of their locality, then it will be farz on them also. And if they have listened it from someone who they think is saying the truth, he is not lying about this thing, whether it is a child or a sinner or anyone, if they think that he is saying the truth, then it will be Ramadan has started and the fasting is fard on them. And the third situation is when they listen that the moon is sighted from a lot of people, that it can be, it can't be like they are all lying. One man can lie, two men can lie about a thing, but about one thing, 20, 25 people are lying. This is a very uh, impossible thing. It is almost impossible that about one thing a lot of people are lying. So if he listens that the moon is sighted from a lot of people, then also the fasting of the month Ramadan will become fard on him. These are the three situations when someone who hasn't seen the moon and fasting will be fard on him. So this is for the video today. Inshallah, in the next video, we will be seeing that if a moon is sighted in one place, will Ramadan become fard on another places? This will be the title of this next video. Hope you all understood the lecture. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika. ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.